Up, guys? It's December 26th, 2024. The year is almost over. We have a few more training days left. Today was a tough day for me. Been doing good, and then I got destroyed. I've been trying to keep my trades around 4 to 5 for a day. Lately, they've been around 3 or 4, and I took 13 trades today and lost like $400 or $500. So fantastic, closing out the year strong. Daily chart, 15-minute chart. This EMA is the daily EMA. I've been kind of swapping around this chart, trying to see what works best. And I think it makes the most sense to have the daily EMA on the 15-minute chart so we can just look at the price action. So if I zoom in here, whoa. So now we can see like, okay, there's a tail here. That's this tail. Let me get fancy on y'all. So this tail is this price action. You see what I'm saying? This is the ETH chart, ETH chart. So it's easy to compare and read back and forth. So this high is around this high. Then if we go over to the 5-minute, again, this is the 5-minute EMA, and this is the 45-minute EMA, which I've been rocking all year, and I'm going to continue to rock. I don't look at the 45-minute chart. It's something I just don't do. Maybe by the end of next year, I'll be more in tune with looking at it. But for now, I really just focus on the 5-minute, and I take a peek occasionally. Like, I don't even think I looked at it today. Maybe once or twice I looked at the 15-minute. But for comparison, I think it's best to have two EMAs that are the same so we can just la 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 la. So daily chart, and I'm working on getting some bar numbers. One of you was very generous and sent me a bar number indicator that I have to put on. I just don't want to change all my charts yet, but I appreciate that. You know who you are. Shout out to you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Why is the ATR down here? That's interesting. I did not know that was down there. What is going on down here? Now it's up here. Hold on. What is going on here? I'm gonna just delete that. Okay. So we have the daily chart, we have a 15-minute chart, same EMA. We have a big down put in from the 18th here. And we have a big up that started on the 20th. I've been talking a lot about how this could get this tail could be the second leg. Bulls have had 3 bars in a row. Now we're starting to go sideways at the EMA. Very annoying. There is a bear gap open right here. So the low of this bar is 6,114.25. The high of this bar is 6,107.50. So there's about a 6.5 point gap between these two bars. And just for a visual, this is an accurate, it's just a visual perspective. That's the gap I'm looking at. We could actually draw it in pretty nicely on there. 15-minute, since these charts are connected. Boom. How do we extend to the right? Huh. Oh, wow, look, I got that one on the dot. That's kind of the chart. That's an open gap at range highs. Don't like how far that goes out. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna save that. All the gaps got deleted when I had to fix the contract rollover. So we have an open bear gap here, and we don't have any bull gaps, so, oh, we do have a bull gap, excuse me. We have the 23rd, and today puts in a bull gap here. I'm gonna delete that though. I might, and yeah, so there's a bull gap open. That sucks because now we have 2 gaps open. That means we could go sideways for a few days. We've had a big down, big up, 3 bull bars, shotgun skate continuation, 1 big bear bar. This might have been a profit taking bar. Well, people who swung betting on the breakout here had to take profits. I mean, this is a very big bar all in one day, 250 points. I'm sure some people took profits, or maybe they waited for a second leg and it reversed. Then we have a 3-day rally, 1, 2, 3, and then we're on the 15-minute. This was the overnight session. Yesterday's session was sold off. Yesterday was Christmas. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Drank some wine last night. We sold off, pulled back leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. And then we rallied today. Very tough rally. It wasn't a tough rally necessarily, but Bar 7 put a dampener on the bulls. I think if bar 7 didn't happen, we could have had a stronger rally. Nonetheless, gap down. Bar 1 has a big tail on it. We're below the 5-minute EMA, and then we go sideways for 3 bars, which are bear bars. Bar 5 ends up breaking out very big, very fast. The market's overstretched, and it reverses with bar 6. Bar 7 is a breakout and follow through. Bar 6 got no follow through. I actually got trapped around here. Oh no, I shorted 8 and got out here. That kind of sucked. I was thinking this could be a double top. We're in a trading range. Maybe we test the low. Nonetheless, bar 6 strong enough, and bar 7 is follow through. Bar 8, what I thought was a double top, but now it's a pullback for bars 6 and 7. Bar 8 is a pullback. We go sideways, creating a wedge bottom and support. Bears can't even get to the 50% of bar 6. So maybe we combine that, maybe we don't, right here, 50% eyeballing right here. So bears I got short here and also shorted here, never actually got out for break even unless they took multiple contracts. Bar 11, good breakout bar. 12 and 13 is follow through. 14, 15 creates the first pullback, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4. Climactic at new highs. You could count a miniature leg here. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. A lot of second legs that were tradable. I was actually in profits here, and then I got trapped here, or I got trapped around here. I hit out, and then I shorted here. I hit out, then I bought 48, got trapped here, hit out, shorted 54, got trapped. I shorted the 55 actually. I was waiting for follow through. Got out at the EMA. I took 13 trades today, so I definitely am missing a few. And then I caught this rally. Then I got trapped here, thinking that we were going to test the highs. I got out around here, and reluctantly I shorted 78 and got out here. So today got the better of me. We were in a trading range. What's the market cycle? The market cycle is breakout, pullback. Bar 8 starts the channel phase, and we channeled for about an hour and a half. Bar 10 to 33. Excuse me. It's getting gloomy out. And after the channel phase, we go range bound. Here we have leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. So now we have a bull channel and a bear channel. That screams tight trading range. And you know what's crazy? I said that out loud, and I was like, we're in a tight trading range, and I just ignored it. I traded what I needed, not necessarily what I saw. Lesson learned. I'm going to take it slow tomorrow. I'll be at work, so I'll probably take 1 or 2 trades on my phone and then call it good early. So where are we? We have a channel phase, and then we have a range. So that completes the market cycle. Now the market is waiting for a breakout, which might happen overnight, which might not happen overnight. The market's waiting for a breakout here. It could go up, it could go down. Generally, when we look for breakout, we look at the previous leg, and that should influence the range. So I've talked about this quite a few times. There's a bull leg, and then we go range bound. The bullish pressure should influence this, and we could see a bullish breakout. However, this was the third push up today. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. This leg became a little more flat, and this leg was way more flat compared to the previous 2 legs. So let's keep that in mind, that bulls are losing power at highs. We are above the EMA. The 45-minute EMA dictates the market regime. So 45-minute EMA, more more bear setups are going to fail. And that's what we see here today. Bears did not get good follow through anywhere. No follow through. No follow through. No follow through. These are pullbacks. No follow through. No follow through. Okay, follow through. Where's the good second leg? It never really came. So that's something for myself. And if you lost some money today, keep in mind, bears are not getting follow through. I think I made a joke about showing the pop here, so that's what I get. Fully deserved. Here we are, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. This bar was a big bar, and it happened fast in a trading range. It is testing the breakout of 15 here, and it reverses for 3 legs. Bar 41 is the first leg, bar 42 is the second leg, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge top into resistance. Went a little bit past bar 40, so we could say the next resistance would be bar 37, or excuse me, bar 38. Strong bear bars have sellers at highs. Strong bull bars have buyers at lows. So 27 has buyers at lows. buyers low here, there's there's sellers here, sellers here. So that's something to keep in mind about support and resistance. I'm not a limit order trader, but just I will eventually be trading limit orders, but keep that in mind. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge top into resistance. And then bears get there, leg 1, pull back leg 2, deep pull back 52, 53. And then their third leg. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, wedge bottom into support. Excuse me. Bar 59 is trying to break out. I do remember taking this short, getting trapped here, thinking this was going to get a second leg to test the lows and then test here and then here, even there. Nonetheless, trapped 62, trapping bears. They're going to have to buy back shorts or they can hold and short higher. I think it's a hard hold. 63 is follow through, 64 follow through for the follow through, but we have two tails, not the best closes. So this has more body, so you can be considered a trend bar. Bar 64 has a more tail, so that could be considered a training range bar. Training range bar in a trading range, not good. 65, 66, 67, 68. To buy the close rally, 68 is relatively, in comparison to these bars, it relatively moved fast, and then it sold off and then it closed out the 50% level, so there's more tail than body at range highs, but this was the previous swing. Bulls get the failed breakout. 69 is the first trend line break. So if you're looking for that leg 2, here's that leg 2 here, testing the high here. And check out the previous videos. I talk about how there's 3 types of trend line breaks. So one trend line break, that's the trend, can go to a new high. The next type of trend line break can go here and create a double top. And then the third trend line break, which we got today, trend line break, and it does not make a new high. These are the types of trend line breaks we can get. 3 types of trend line breaks. We got the last one today, and I like the first one is what I usually expect. And yeah, I'm a breakout trader, so I expect the breakout. But today we got this, which is a lower high for the bears, which is good price action for the bears. It's a dampener on the bull rally. I don't like this, I'm deleting it. Put the dampener on the bull rally. Back and forth, big tail. That must have been a news bar, or what happened here? Oh, this was this bar right here. So we broke the overnight lows and reversed right up. Leg 1, pull back with 2, pull back with 3, 15-minute. Leg 1, pull back with 2, pull back with 3, 15-minute. Second leg trap, leg 1, pull back leg 2. This price action here showing to get second leg, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Wedge bottom into support, rally leg 1, pull back leg 2. The leg 2 is hidden in this bar, it's hidden. But we travel one tick higher, and we go sideways. We have a rally, a sell off, a sell off, a rally, a sell off. The market's becoming confused. 3 pushes up on the daily, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and we go sideways for the rest of the day. So tight trading range. Where are the gaps today? Well, let's see. We have a gap down for sure. Sell off, rally. No gap here. We have a gap here that gets. Oh, I gotta do this on every. How did I do this? Okay. We have a rally here. I mean, that's a breakout gap. Not the best gap because it starts with a bull bar, bar 10. Excuse me, it starts with a bear bar, bar 10. Bull bar 11 and 12. Puts a gap in, gets tested right away with 15. So bulls aren't really keeping the gap open. Something to keep in mind. No gap. Okay, we have a gap here. Then look at 23. Look at 22, 23, 24. We get another gap for the bears right next to the bull gap. So we have overlapping price actions for first 6 to 9 bars, and now look, we have 2 gaps against each other. They're closing, so that tells you that maybe the market's coming to a range bound price action soon. Big gap here, leg 1 showing up for its own second leg, pull back leg 2. So look how we can count this price action. We can count it leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. But within each leg, there's a fractal leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, leg 1, opposite bar 20, leg 2, deep pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. The way I was counting it was leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Lots of ways to count legs, and we have to be aware of all of them. Here we have a bear gap that closes these gaps. Now bulls want to close this gap, so the higher the gap will be a target for the bulls. And that gets closed very quick with bar 43, 44. I think we had some more gaps, right? No gap. Huh, no gap. Okay, we have a breakout gap here, but bad closes. But look, if we compare this gap down here to this gap, we have a bear, bull, bull. Here we have a bull, bull, bull. So that's better. And the reason it's better is because there's going to be buyers on top of the bull bar. Here, there could be sellers waiting to get out of break even. So we have more bullish pressure when it's 3 bars in a row. Sell off, 69, first trend line break. Testing the high of this gap. And it reverses. And they get their second leg, 77, 78. Doesn't go one tick past bar 68, but it does go one tick past bar 69. Very small second leg. Again, take that idea of what type of trendline break this is. And this type of trendline break is, again, the third one. Oh, no, it's a double top. No, it's the third one. It's the third one. You know how, like, yawning is contagious? I swear I've been making myself yawn right now. I just walked the dog and it's so gloomy out. I might take a small nap after getting slaughtered in the markets today. Okay, so let's go over measured moves here. Gap started closing, so the gap stayed open in the breakout part of the market cycle, and on the range bound price action, the gap started closing. Go 1 to 1, put it on top of the pullback. That's met. This is my target today, and that's why I got trapped, because it came very close to my target and then just reversed down. I was pretty annoyed with that. Here, pullback, 1 to 1 is met. We're in a training range price action, bar 27, back moved up to it. Again, we can go here for another measured move. 3 or more bars plus a pullback equals an entry. That's how I trade when I'm not on tilt. Could put it at the high of 24, stop order, you could fade bar 22. Bar 22 is like this, but more bull momentum. And I don't see, okay, so then we have 3 bear bars here. You want to get short and you get stopped out. Eventually you'd have to hit out a bar 62, 63 because it's the breakout. Bar 61 to 6, bar 62 to 68. Looks like it's trying to get its own second leg, but it never does. No more time left in the day. And that fails to get met. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope you guys made some money and didn't get too chopped up. Let me know how you guys are doing. We've got a few days. We got Friday, Monday, and maybe Tuesday. I have to check the calendar for trading on the 31st. So yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. If you learned something, share the show. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Bye.